Once again, my name's Dale Womble, business teacher at Union High School. This is the second version of an educational video whereby we're showing you some of the benefits of the Google Drive program. Today we're going to take a little closer look at how to make the documents within the Google Drive program and how you can use it as an educational benefit for you as an educator and for your students in the classroom. So sit back and enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. As soon as you open up your Google Drive program, you can tell up in the far right hand corner, everyone at Union High School is now registered in for the Google Apps for Educators. We have the domain name over here on the far right hand side, union.k12.ia.us. And then this is your username which you log in under. Again, all students at the high school have this along with faculty members. So we're going to be using this throughout, and we're going to show you some of the benefits, how students are able to use this not only in school but also at home. As I shared with you last time, you're able to set up folders for each of your classes where students can, you can put students' work in and keep it there for later purposes, and we'll tell you how you can share information back and forth. Over here on the left hand side, you can see that we have quite a few tools. We have My Drive. Over here, if I click this link right here, this is stuff that's been shared with me. I have a document right here from Mrs. Zondo, and I can go back over here to my own Google Drive at this time. Now, let's give you some of the benefits of when we want to create a document. I click on the word Create. I come down here to the word Document. Once this populates, it pulls up a screen like we've had in the past. It hasn't changed much. There are a lot more bells and whistles with this. It looks very similar to a Microsoft Office program, except it doesn't have everything that a Microsoft Office program might have. When we take a look at the ribbons across here, we do have some of the same tools. We have a lot of tools up here that we can pull down as far as formatting tools. We can insert things. We have some tools over here for research, a variety of different things. Let's share with you how this can be used in a classroom setting. If a student needs to go home and type up a document, we'll just say that they do not happen to have Microsoft Office because the suite by itself is kind of expensive. And we're going to type up a document right now, the Quick Brown Fox jumped over the lazy dogs. Okay? Now, we can format this no different than we've done in the past with Microsoft Office. We can come down here and pick different types of fonts if we want to. We can boldface it. We can change colors. We can do background colors if we want to. If we don't, we can just leave it as is. We can change font colors. We can do a variety of different things. Right now, I'm just going to take this whole thing here so we can enlarge it so you can take a better look at what we've got right here. So this is what this looks like. We can center. There's a variety of different things. We also have some pull down tools here if we want to put an image in here, if we want to do a hyperlink, drawings, a variety of different things on here. Okay, over here we also have some tools. This is kind of a neat little thing right here. I just learned this about a week ago, research. Let's assume this is part of a document that I want. And I did some research on this, and it's a I'm going to cite this document. All I need to do here is click on the word Tools, come over here to Research, click on Research, and it's going to populate and come over here on the far right-hand side, if you can see this, different places where this is cited on the internet. And in this case, this is cited here in Wikipedia. It might have a YouTube video on this, some more YouTube videos, and so forth. If this is what I'm going to use to cite this particular document, and I've looked at this, and in most cases we don't cite Wikipedia, but if you do, all you have to do is click on the word cite here, and it puts it in as a number 1, such as this. It automatically then goes down, and at the bottom of the page, it also cites it here in a footnote. Now, what style it is in, you have to go over here and take a look at. Currently, right now, it's in MLA. If it's supposed to be an APA, you can select APA and it would cite it in APA format. So this is kind of a nice little benefit as far as a Word document goes. Now, all of a sudden we're done with our document for right now, and we need to leave the computer, so we want to save this. The nice thing about Google Documents on the Google Drive, it automatically saves. I'm going to give this a name, so I click up here in the far left hand corner. I'm going to call it the Brown Fox. Click OK. Here's my document. How do I know it automatically saves? All I have to do, this is my Word document. I click over here on the left hand side, and over here it is listed right here. It's called the Brown Fox document. Okay, so I close this out. I'm done. I close down my computer. I'm done. I go to a different location. Now then I go to school, I go back home or whatever I want to, and I pull this document up. So I'm going to open this document now that I've been working on previously an hour before. I open it back up. Here it is in my Google Docs, but now then at home I have, or at school I have Microsoft Office. And I want to download this and finish editing in a Microsoft Office. So all I have to do now is come over to Word File, come down here to Download As, and here I have Microsoft Word. I click on that. It's going to download it down below here, and let me pull this up here for you so you can see this. Right here at the bottom of my screen on my Google Docs. So I come over here, I click Open, and it's going to populate. And since I'm doing this on a Mac, it might look a little bit different, but not much. But here's now my Word document with all of my tools up above here that I used to, and that I am used to in Microsoft Word. So now I can do a lot more editing and with fonts and columns and a whole variety of different things. So that's one of the benefits that we have with Google Docs and the Google Drive program. So this is one thing I wanted to share with you. There are a variety of other things I'll share with you at a later date. I hope this has been beneficial for you. Again, this is our document folder. Back over here, this is our drive. This is all of our stuff that's in here. One more thing I do want to share with you, that if you did have this open and you want to share this with somebody else, they're also working on the same program. All you have to do is click on the share key here. This is you. You're the originator of this document. You can put in another person's name in here or email. You can let them edit it. They can either comment on it or they can just view it. But if you were to email this to somebody else, they can take a look at it, they can add to it, or do whatever they want to. So this is one of the benefits, again, of the Google program and the Google Drive program. So I wanted to share this with you. If you have any further questions or things you don't quite understand, please get a hold of me, and I'll be happy to help you. That's all I have for now, and thank you very much.